Hey guys, welcome back to my video. It's Creeper! No, I'm kidding. I just had a head that I stole from Green. See?
But we didn't give it back.
Maybe. See? It's me. So, today we are in the big flea world. Look at that cute dog, and this is Green and Sage's base up here, and Purple's, and yeah, anyway, let me show you our base,
Yeah, let's
which is
die.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
Water clutch! Yeah! I'm still like that, bro. Check out our base. Really cool. Yeah, every time you die there's lightning, which is satisfying. Yeah, I'm still like that.
We're not mean cousins, so we won't get that super head back.
Look at this though. Look at this though. A castle. Yeah, look, a castle that we just built today and yesterday. So, comment down below. Check this out. No! No, I just failed the water clutch. No! Okay. If you saw that redstone blocks, that's what I'm about to show you. So, the king's throne. It's an actual palace. And Green Sagittarius, Stormtrooper, Sagittarius 11. If you're watching this, then we'll shoot from up here, maybe. So, if you're watching this, you're going down. And this will only last about a week or so.
And we're definitely keeping this castle.
Yeah. So, you want a grand tour? Yeah. Did you see that? I mean, I kinda took damage. But look how much levels I have. I have 30 levels. So, and I may or may not have just stole music disc from their base. But, anyway, if we get 2 creeper heads, I will place them right here. But yeah, we'll get this back. We're gonna raid their base. I mean, yeah, they're in school right now. So, yeah, so we'll get to raid their base while they're at school. Woohoo! So, hear that music? Yeah. Yeah, so comment down below what we should do with this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And check what else I got earlier today. Takes a while to load. I got X-ray.
Yeah, I got X-ray too.
Yeah, Creeper has some too. But now I could take my name personally. So I could see like I can see like, oh, there's a nemesis over there. I should go grab it. Or like, oh, there's coal right there. I should go grab it. Or like diamonds or whatever. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, so don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications, do all that stuff.
See you next time. Peace.
We're not ending the video yet though. Okay, give me that. Give me that. We could build an arena and like practice fighting whenever they're at school. Yeah, so we could build an arena like over here. We got a cobblestone generator right here that we kind of messed up a few times while we were building it. But it works. Yeah, I just broke it. Now it's a fair fight. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I knew it. But anyway. Yeah, it's keep inventory, so. Anyway, we'll build an arena, like, once I finish out this video. We'll build it right here. We'll be practicing fighting.
Oh, we just built this.
Yeah, we just built this, like, yesterday and today.
And
we're gonna do a nuts floor, maybe.
What the flip? I didn't see a creeper.
Oh yeah, he's trying to get another creeper head. So we also made some charged creepers. Thanks for dying, because now I saw the sparks. What the? Where are you? Oh, he's down in our mine. Oh yeah, do you know what else we also built today? Oh, wow.
Let's kill that charged creeper. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay.
Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
Yeah, I was trying to get another charge creeper to drop that head, but so we could have one, and we could give this one to Green, so
Okay, stop.
where's the creeper at?
Right there.
Wait.
Okay, kill me.
You gotta go closer.
Okay.
Oh, he was charged up. He did not drop a head though. No! We'll be right back after this commercial break.
This is my trail.
Okay, and we are back.
This is my trail. No.
Broke your helmet again. Yeah, we were just fighting a few times, and I'm the rightful owner of this throne.
Who made it? Me.
Well,
And I had the idea for this.
yeah, we watched a tutorial how to do this. But it's my chair.
This is my trail.
Beat him 2 times in a row, baby.
This is my trail.
So whenever we're the only ones on, we like sometimes fight. Sometimes build this a big amazing thing.
Wait, hold on. Let's both stay here.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, if I had headphones, it would be matching.
Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Don't know how to take a picture. Oh wait, I changed it. Oh, there we go. Okay. I changed it because I didn't want.
What broke? What broke?
My stuff. What the flip? Okay, if you're wondering where we learned flip one, it's from Unspeakable. Oh wow, I'm at 1 heart. Oh no, whatever shall I do? Oh no, whatever shall I do? I'm at 1 heart. No! So yeah, comment down below if we should build an arena at spawn. So we left all our stuff at Flea Town.
Yeah, 'cause we're not allowed to go in the nether.
We're not allowed to do the nether, or we're not allowed to do the nether or potions, but we are allowed to
do witches.
yeah, we are allowed to get potions from witches. We both died. Oh, I killed Creeper. I killed him.
And guys, if you want to see how many diamonds I have, go
Yes.
to my channel.
I got 22 diamonds, but that's from like extra and stuff.
Oh, hold on, a thing popped up on my screen.
Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. So.
What the flip?
I'm the rightful ruler of this throne.
You want to make 2 trays?
For a queen and a queen. King, queen and a queen. Yeah, we should make... Comment down below if we should make 2 chairs.
Yeah, comment down below.
For like Creeper the queen and I'm the king.
No, stop.
I'm messing with him.
If you wanna see his real, if you wanna say his real name, go to my channel.
We're not releasing names yet. Oh no, I'm at half a heart.
And do not, and say whose is this chair then? It's mine or yours. Go to my channel, if you wanna see his, face and his name.
We're not releasing names yet.
Okay, and whose chair is this?
Mine.
Go to my channel for his face reveal and his...
Who's the one who's keep dying over and over again? Not me. Yeah,
Comment down
you.
below if we should do this diamond. Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below if we should replace the gold with diamond. Okay, I killed him. Hey, get on my chair.
Alright, like and subscribe and ring notifications.
Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, plus notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.